After you finish watching this video, you will know why the Axie Infinity token will reach the $3,000 mark. The Axie Infinity protocol was invented as a gaming token meant to be Axie Infinity Shard. This token was created especially with a few tokens to bring the electric fusion of cryptocurrency benefits and gaming full shops. All the benefits of play are built on blockchain algorithms where anybody has the immense possibility of owning tokens for their merit of gaming acumen, creating more ways of fun way earning. Hello and welcome to Daily Crypto Facts. Before we move on to the video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can keep posting new and more interesting videos for you. First off, also hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a video from us. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Before we start with an actual Axie Infinity price prediction, let's check the full stop being founded on the benefits of giving crypto and blockchain industry. Axie Infinity is built on Ethereum network, and this is not all. There are infinite ways of earning Axie, but being part of cutting-edge technology that is blockchain rewarding players for engagement is entirely unheard of, but not in the world of Axie Infinity. So be ready to participate in the Play-Doh of revolution called Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity, defining infinite possibilities and drawing inspiration from Pokemon identity-based universe, it allows users to earn tokens by showing their gaming capabilities, battling, collecting, rising, and building a land-based kingdom for their pets. And Axie genetic data are simply scalable by third parties that permit the entire ecospace of developers to find the basics of their own tools and experiences. Founded very recently in 2018, the AC protocol is still in a nascent stage of its inception and has ranked the #1 Ethereum game and remains the top choice of daily, weekly, and monthly active users. Being a major revenue earner for Ethereum, Axie Infinity has generated over 6,400 Ethereum up till now. When on one hand, Axie symbolizes a gaming and entertainment era, on the other hand, it reflects a social responsibility value, wherein it creates employment opportunities for masses and builds the ambiance of strong community, craving the roadmap to a sustainable platform. Users can now own the native Axie Infinity token from the Axie Marketplace, collect them and utilize them across an ever-expanding universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Infinity protocol has brought one more fact to the limelight that is advantageous of blockchain, which go beyond holders and limitations of them, just the finance sector designed to address various bottlenecks in finance. Axie Infinity is set to make lives more empowered and expeditious in a unique way. Axie Infinity's protocol has also contributed to eradicating the challenges of blockchain being data accessibility. They also come in packages, be it redundant cost or speed of roleplay of middlemen. It entirely focuses on offering the users the benefit of efficient data transfer that would make their gaming and transaction fast and flawless, thereby justifying its paradigm rule in the digital ecospace. The Axie Infinity prediction market sentiment states that the bullish scenario is expected to continue. Many experts have a lot of investment advice to offer based on our Axie Infinity forecast. A long-term increase is expected, and the price prognosis for 2026 is $140 with a 5-year investment. The revenue is expected to be around 200%, and there is a downturn predicted in the long term. And the Axie Infinity may lose, showing a bearish signal by the beginning of 2023. So basically, this is the right time to exchange Axie Infinity or White Axie Infinity in your wallet. According to our Axie Infinity forecast and technical analysis, the Axie price might remain on an uptrend and cross $670 by the end of this year, which will make it a good investment. Axie Infinity's price has a promising future, as it may get marginally impacted, but the bulls will be back, and that'll happen around 2025. The price prediction of Axie Infinity may skyrocket to 11,000, making it a good investment. And if the trend continues, Commoner and facility plays will be going what it was in August 2020 stop. This sounds highly bullish, as it has shown a reliable consistency by January 2022. The Express should easily swing around $600, making it a profitable investment trading for the beast. Irrespective of its adoption, the Axie price will face heat until January 2022, and going by the predictions that the bull may be back, Axie Infinity price should end up slightly higher, say by 2024, $8 at best, showing some resistance level. Long forecast being based on logical algorithm, Axie Infinity's future price is both short-term rallies as well as long-term potential advantages. The price may reach $70 at the end of January 2022, showing an exponential moving average. However, traders should do their own research before investing in this coin. First off, A lot of Axie Infinity projects are moving from the concept phase to the testing phase, and by the end of the year, a good number of projects would have been completed. Hence, an all-around bullish prediction of $7, encouraging traders to reap come again and to sell Axie Infinity is moving around. First off, Reddit community says that the Axie Infinity price might grow threefold in 5 years based on ongoing development. So we can say that by 2025, former Axie Infinity price should have a clear rally of around $512, showing long-term earning potential. As per the CoinSkid, Axie Infinity price prediction for 2021 to 2025, karma volatility is an inherent attribute of Axie Infinity, and so any sort of far-fetched price prediction would be an uphill task. However, going by the expert price forecast and sentiments, the mood looks pretty positive. Since the past month, Axie Infinity price has reflected a tremendous rally for Mark. So will the latest advancements help the Axie price to trade higher? Let's proceed with unbiased crypto forecast for the Axie token price prediction for 2021. From the beginning of this year, there is a hold of bear markets on Axie Infinity. The Joker was trading around its support levels, but it has marked a huge upside momentum from the past month. First off, this digital asset is all set to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, sealing its crucial resistance level as a force. If the market turns favorable, transgressing all limitations over the next year, then the Axie would surely rise and show signs of future for its users. Backed by robust small contracts, Axie Infinity price may easily touch its major resistance level of $650 by the end of the year 2021. Now let's discuss about the Axie Infinity price prediction for the year 2022 will stop. Considering there are no sudden jolts or a stony path ahead for cryptocurrency's market, Axie token is all set to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its users. The road ahead is full of petals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the price, taking Axie Infinity shards to cross all barriers, scaling the $800 mark. Moving on to the Infinity price prediction for 2023, would be that the Axie Infinity has established a fast, reliable network and works with the user experience of the product. These features can help the Axie coin gain a much higher price of $960. As the drive for functional crypto continues in 2023, the Axie price could even see a paradigm push and users can gain considerable profit. For 2024, there are quite a few Axie Infinity forecasts going forward for the token, especially keeping in perspective the technological announcements in progress. The corporate has designs and their assumptions that an Axie price may be its $1,200. The favor has been done by majority, a lot of security and scalability features. The exciting promotional ventures may do the rest, making the investors harvest the gains. For the year 2025, which act as active in community initiatives, considering the Keep Up momentum garnering a significant market capitalization. Their initiative focusing on educational outreach and innovations may take them to an appreciable level of $3,500 by the end of 2025. So this was the price prediction for Axie Infinity. What are your views on this? What do you think the future holds for Axie Infinity? Now, do you own any Axie Infinity? Or do you plan on buying them anytime soon? Let's discuss about this in the comments below. If you want to continue to know about cryptocurrencies, we've got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end of the screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Before heading forward, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice for my trading device, or any sort of other advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.